it's like if you say something enough times, or if you like think about it enough times, if you have like an image attached to it, it's much easier to remember rather than just, okay, this is my first video. This is to kind of treat of what I'm going to be talking about, why I'm doing this. So my goal is to be able to learn as best as I can, and that is done, as Aristotle says, by contemplation, and contemplation is a science. We kind of to detail that out a little bit more of like how you get at contemplation and teaching, and how teaching is a contemplation. So you have like first potentiality and first actuality, and those are like sensing, what you like first experience, what man first experiences, and he talks about this in his De Anima, as well as second and potentiality and actuality. So like sensing, or like first receiving knowledge, but then second actuality and potentiality and actuality are recollecting what you've already first received. So like things you've sensed, imprint images in your mind, in your memory, or knowledge that you like first received. You're recollecting that and bringing that to mind. And that recollection is what a science is. That's like a lot of what you do in school to learn. So it's like, you recollect one thing and another, and you come to new knowledge, a conclusion from those premises, from those kind of claims or things of knowledge that you had earlier had. And this proper way of knowledge is, it's the highest form. And yeah, so like if you have a weak memory, it's like if you say something enough times, or if you like think about it enough times, if you have like an image attached to it, it's much easier to remember rather than just reading a textbook and then just reading something and then you just like forget about it the next second. So like this thing of recollection, this thing of contemplation, which is what like recollection is like the key to learning. And so I hope by presenting in these videos different topics, I'm thinking like maybe book reports, talking about maybe even like a little bit of art. I'm not a professional in any of this, but I'll try to give like kind of a brief account of things that I've wanted to see in a YouTube video but just haven't found. I'm just kind of breaking down simplistically the order, and some more information, the purpose, like the real substance of a work. So yeah, I'm mostly interested in like books, in the arts, and so diving into that a little bit, giving some explanation, a bit more of an ordered account, but it won't be like a super ordered one, of course, because this is like more casual, but I'll try my best.